Seal kit to service 8 fuel injectors, includes O-rings and filter baskets. All parts made in the USA. Easy installation. UREMCO's line of injector seal kits offer premium quality parts made in the USA. This kit is equipped with all the essentials necessary to restore your fuel injector. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit for my Dodge Dakota 2000 fuel injectors. Filters are big plus too. I serviced all my 8 fuel injectors on my 2000 Dodge Dakota V8 4.7L, cleaned all of them, used the same original O-rings, and then when I put them back, somehow I nicked some of them because of age, 131k miles, and they became tender. I thought it will just be fine putting them in with nicks, but boy, I was wrong. While I was driving, I can smell gas inside my truck, and I am so lucky my engine did not catch fire. When I got home, I checked under the hood and gas is all over the engine pockets and crevices near the fuel injector. So I was 100% sure due to the nicked O-rings. I ordered these O-ring replacement made by UREMCO, and one thing convinced me to use these is because it comes with fuel filters. Bought them, installed them, and viola, the gas leak is gone.